Sunflower oil offers a range of benefits, including heart health due to its low saturated fat content and high unsaturated fats, a good source of antioxidant vitamin E for cell protection and skin health. In this video, we'll take you on a captivating journey through the factory where sunflowers transform into the versatile and nutritious oil through the meticulous cold pressing method. Our journey begins in the sunflower fields, where dedicated farmers carefully nurture and harvest the sunflower heads rich with seeds. Once harvested by a special machine, the sunflower seeds are transported to the factory, where the journey from seed to oil truly begins. Before the pressing begins, the seeds undergo a thorough cleaning and sorting. The seeds are thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt, debris, or unwanted materials. The seeds are then delicately crushed by cold pressing method. This method exerts minimal heat, preserving the natural flavors and nutritional integrity of the seeds, releasing their precious oil through a fine mesh. The result is a pure, unrefined sunflower oil, teeming with vitality. But our commitment to sustainability doesn't end there. The residue left after pressing, known as seed waste, is collected and repurposed. The nutrient-rich byproduct finds new life as animal feed, minimizing waste and contributing to a circular economy. The freshly pressed oil journeys forward, greeted by meticulous filtration that tenderly removes any remaining impurities, leaving behind a liquid gold that gleams with purity. Now the journey takes a turn as the sunflower oil flows seamlessly into the next phase. An automated packaging system takes over, filling bottles of various sizes with precision and efficiency. From small to large, our sunflower oil is bottled to meet your every culinary need, ensuring that you have the perfect amount for your kitchen creations. Quality is our hallmark. Our dedicated experts rigorously inspect each batch, ensuring that only the finest sunflower oil reaches your table. To fully enjoy the vibrant flavors and benefits of our sunflower oil, it's essential to store it properly. Keep your sunflower oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Sealing the bottle tightly after each use helps prevent oxidation and maintain its freshness. Cold pressing could be the best way for extracting oil from sources like sunflower seeds, as it preserves the oil's nutritional value, antioxidants, and flavor compounds by avoiding the damaging effects of heat. This method retains natural flavors, colors, and nutrients, such as vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, resulting in a healthier oil with potential benefits for heart health, skincare, and overall wellness. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.